Hey everyone, so what we're looking at right now is my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. It does have a Magnuson supercharger on it, so it's a 3.6 liter. It has roughly 5,100 miles on it to date. This is my wife's 2018 JL. It has 37,000 miles on it, and it does not make the same noise as the Gladiator's motor does of the metal grinding, of which I will show you guys right now. Jumping on here. So as we're here, the volume's all the way down, and we cannot hear any metal grinding. Idle's dropping as it's warming up a little bit. As you guys will see once I put the videos together, you will be able to see that the white Gladiator has the metal grinding noise, and this does not.